Hello guys, now I'm back and this is Ralph found on me. Okay, now I will teach you how to remove some remove remove photos, videos, details in recycle bin. So first we're going to recycle bin. Just click on recycle bin and you can see remove. We're just gonna click it empty the recycle bin. Okay, and yes, just click yes. That's all. But example, let's do zero yes. Delete yes. It will go to the recycle bin automatically, right? So go to recycle bin. So example, just one you want, just one atom you want, delete. Just right click it and delete. Yes. And if you want to restore it, because maybe you just accidentally delete it from the recycle bin, you you can restore it. Right click the pot the item you wanna